we're having rain. First time we've had rain for ages. And it's coming down hard. But the garden's gonna really love it. I just thought I'd come outside in the garden under the gazebo, and I hope the gazebo holds out. I'm not sure if that flash was lightning. Oh, I think I better go in just in case it's lightning. I just hope the gazebo is going to be okay. Because it's really, really hard rain. I might have to push some of the water off the gazebo. There's our cat in the window. What's going on? I haven't seen rain for ages. Just hope the sunflower will survive. I'm just wondering whether to pull it under cover. I think we're getting some puddles on the gazebo now. I better sort them out now. Let's just hope there's not too much runoff on the baked ground from all the dry weather.